It's that time for top 5 fast fails. In this edition, we're gonna focus on boating, things that float, because it's springtime and we're all gonna be on the lake, so check this out. And number 5 for top 5 fastest fails is a guy hauling a couple skiers on his little boat, and the next thing you know, out of nowhere, he skids off course and ends up in the bushes. But tell me why it happened, because I'm looking at the video and I can't quite figure it out. Let me know in the comments. Yep. Number 4 for top 5 fast fails is a guy on a jet ski having some fun jumping some wakes until his luck runs out.
I'm okay, where's my jet ski?
Number 3 for top 5 fast fails is a guy in his brand new fishing boat. He's obviously excited, jumping waves, having fun, until this happens. Number 2 for top 5 fast fails. You've probably seen this circled on the internet. It's been around for a little while, but it's still great. Check out the guy driving. He just looks like that guy. Keep an eye out on everybody else in the boat. Things get interesting quick. Ooh, damn. I wasn't expecting that. And number 1 for top 5 fast fails is a drag boat. That's all I gotta say. Check this out. It's insane. I would not want to be that guy.
Booth just had that kind of real brief feeling in the seat, and kind of went through my mind, are we okay? Do I need to lift here? And made the decision to just, stay on the gas. And the next thing I'm looking at the sky, then water, then sky, then water, and waiting for it to all stop.
Thanks for watching Power Nation Daily. I'm Gannon Pritchard. All the feedback, really appreciate it. If you want to talk to me directly, go to our Facebook page and hit us up, Power Nation Daily. We have a brand new page and we want you to get connected. Also, check out our website at PowerNationTV.com. For more Power Nation on television, tune in this Sunday at 9 a.m. on Spike for all the Power Nation TV that you can handle. I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is Power Nation Daily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.